Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Gmail not showing images, you're not alone. This is a common problem, but fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive into the solutions. Step 1. Ask the sender to resend the files. Sometimes, the issue might be with the email itself. If you suspect that the images are missing because of how they were sent, ask the sender to resend the files. This simple step can often solve the problem. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for loading images in your emails. Start by opening your device's settings and clicking on the network icon. Ensure that you're connected to a reliable network. Step 3. Check your network. After confirming your connection, check if your network is functioning properly. You can try browsing other websites to determine if the issue lies with your internet service. Step 4. Close the app and reopen. It's sometimes simply closing and reopening the Gmail app can refresh its functionality. Make sure to fully exit the app before launching it again. Step 5. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve many issues related to app performance. Navigate to your device settings, find Gmail settings, and select the option to clear cache. Step 6. Clear data from Gmail settings. In addition to clearing cache, you may need to clear data. From your device settings, locate Gmail settings again, click on Clear Data, and then choose Clear Cache. Confirm this step when prompted. Step 7. Restart your device. After performing these actions, restart your device. This helps in refreshing system processes and might fix any underlying issues affecting Gmail. Step 8. Open the app again. Once your device has restarted, open the Gmail app again. Check if images are now loading correctly in your emails. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of images not displaying in Gmail. If problems persist after trying all these solutions, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance. Enjoy a seamless email experience.